Welcome back. Closing in on the lower end of today's trading range. The Midcap index down about 0.5%, but it is a day of a lot of earnings. Not only Reliance, we have other earnings as well. ACC will be one such company posting its quarterly results. Nigel, what are the key expectations?
Well, the meeting starts at lunchtime, so get ready for maybe results towards the close of market, or maybe a high possibility could come even post market. In terms of the stock move, the stock is holding up. Remember, the markets are quite wobbly, but in the last 3 months or so, the stock has given you returns of more than 20%. So some part of that good news is factored in. And more importantly, in the last few days, the stock had moved to around 1,400. From there as well, it's seen a bit of a rally. From the low, in fact, I think it's rallied quite a bit. So keep an eye out on that front as well. Moving to the expectations, top line growth of around 10%. How does that come about? Most of it will be because the volumes will come in higher by around 7.5% odd. Keep in mind, ACC has pan-India presence, and also they're running at higher capacity utilization levels. So, on a run rate mark, they can do roughly around, closer towards 7 million on a quarterly basis. So 6.4 million tons is the volume number that we're looking at. How do we get that number? Most of the top line growth is because of volumes coming in higher. That's what I said. And the remainder will be because of realizations. Remember, they have exposure to East and Central India. That's roughly around 40% of their sales. So their prices have moved up. So that's what helps the realizations. While some part of that will be offset because they have exposure to South, West, as well as North India, and prices have been lower out there. But what really helps the realizations is their share of premium products. That's increased from around 15 to around 16-17% approximately. So that's what helps support the realizations. In terms of margins, we're expecting a bit of an expansion out there. How does that come about? Operating leverage plays out because sales volumes are higher. Also, realizations are higher. And they've been talking about this master supply agreement with Ambuja Cements. So how is that playing out? There'll be some synergy benefits that will come out there as well. And both these two factors will be enough to offset the higher input costs. Because remember, pet coke prices are up by more than 20% on a year-on-year basis. Good operational performance goes down to a net profit number. That should grow by around 40%. Keep your eye out on these set of numbers, mostly towards the close of market. Hope it doesn't keep me too late.
All right, hope it doesn't keep you too late. But at 2 p.m., this is something you have to watch out for. The countdown begins for CNBC TV 18's India Business Leader Awards. The most coveted business awards are back with their 14th edition. The flagship event will honor the visionaries behind outstanding businesses. The jury round will be held this afternoon, will be chaired by Uday Kotak, Nimesh Kampani, who is the founder of JM Financial Group, and a veteran investment banker. A top-notch deal maker is our eminent jury member today. Watch him in action with other business leaders at the IBLA jury starting at 2 p.m. only on CNBC TV 18.